welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules MOA here. Before I go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules MOA family. Yeah, I know I've been missing in action for a couple months, but I'm back and I'm better. Yes, so please stay tuned for this video. As you can see by the title, I'll be going in with this lovely Made by Mitchell palette. Right off the bat, I love the cow inspired imprint right here. Is very gorgeous. So I'm gonna open this up with you guys, and this is the color story. The color story is right up my alley, I can't lie. This is something that I would definitely dive into. From his new collection, I've also purchased one of his liner, and it's just a nice brown liner. I will be using it in today's look. I really and truly don't know what look I'm going for in particular, but you guys will be riding the wave with me today. Before I jump right in with using this palette, the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys a few swatches, and trust me baby, when I saw the swatches on his Instagram page, I was speechless. Like, so just a few. So I'm gonna just dab right there, just randomly choosing colors to swatch. And those are the colors right there. His palette is super pigmented. Even his shimmers, look at those. Oh my god. Super pigmented. Palette is priced at £40, but it's one of those palettes that I feel like you're getting your money's worth. You don't have to worry about on how the colors will perform. They blend out like a dream, effortless blending for me. But I haven't used this palette as yet, so let's jump right into that. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna take my P. Louise Rumor number 7 base. I'm just gonna blend that out. This base does match my complexion quite well. So I'm gonna take my Peaches and Cream PC 47 brush, and I don't know, I may dive into the pinks today. I'm not quite sure what I want to do. The first shade I'm going to take is this Angus shade right here, and this is this nice purple shade. This palette does have kickback, but kickback does not matter to me that much. And I'm just going to place that right here. So far, so good with the pigmentation. And with this, I'm just going in with a C shape. The next shade I'm going to take is this bright pink shade. And this shade does have kickback also, but it looks like it's going to be very pigmented. And it really is. So for this pink shade, I'm just going to use this to blend out the purple shade and just give it that diffused type of look, just like that. The next shade I'm going to take is this shade right here. This is a nice shimmer shade, and that shade is called Intolerant. For that shade, I'm just going to place it on the lid. Oh my days, this is a lovely duochrome color. This is beautiful. And guess what? No adhesive needed. No adhesive needed. This is beautiful. And just for a bit of pop of color, I'm going to take this shade right here and just pop in the inner corner. Do you see how quick and effortless I finished my eyes? Basically, so I'm going to take my brown liner, and I'm not going to do anything too dramatic. This is in the shade Brownie Points. He did say this was a foam tip, and just a quick swatch of it. Pigmented. Let's just jump right into it on our eyes and see how it performs. I feel like I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and be back. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was very helpful for those who are interested in purchasing this palette. This palette is a 10 out of 10 in my eyes. When it comes to pigmentation, blendability, etc., this palette is a 10 out of 10 for me. I will be using this palette in future videos, so you guys can join the family and stay tuned for more looks that will be created with this palette. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in another video.